What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully it's not too windy, because for me right now it is super windy. But anyway, welcome back to another video. I kind of wanted to do a quick video because, as you can see, we have a new tank bag installed on the CRF. Just installed this thing a few minutes ago, and I wanted to come out and try it out. Also already using, I don't know if this thing works. I think it does, but these gloves are not touch screen. But I already have my phone. I ended up putting my phone in there, which you can mount it there. Obviously I have the quad lock holder, which I did order, so I just got the new 15 Pro a few days ago, so I don't have a case for it yet, but I did order the quad lock case, so just waiting on that. So I wanted to put it here because I don't want it to possibly, you know, when things are brand new, you're really careful with it, so I don't want to keep it in my pocket just in case it falls out. So yeah, so far this tank bag, this thing is pretty sweet. It is a nice cool December day. Kind of crazy to be out on a motorcycle in December in New England. That guy was chilling. It's actually two people. And I'm telling you, this HWK cheap jacket, this thing is mint. I just have a t-shirt under here, and this thing is working wonders. And it is cold, but not too cold. I think it's around 50 degrees right now, so that's not too bad. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been on this thing. Woo! Look at the horsies! Oh, my neck! My neck still hurts. Ended up jacking up my neck a few weeks ago, and this thing is still struggling. Sucks to get old, guys. Look at this baby. This thing just purrs. She hasn't been used in like a month, but look at that. She is still going strong. Started right up. I ended up buying a trickle charger for Cyber Monday, so I'll keep that on the charger. Let's see if we can pull in here. Hopefully there's nobody here. Oh yeah, there's nobody here. Yeah. Whoop. This nice little area. Oh. Woo. Yeah, let's do a little come on, neutral. There we go. Yeah, let's do a little view of the bag right here. So yeah, here is a tank bag. So yeah, really easy to mount. It's on there pretty nice and sturdy, and you can still get to a gas cap. But yeah, you pretty much just put the strap around the frame here. It comes up to the buckle. You put this strap to the bottom, and then also this strap here to this frame. Comes up, just tighten everything down. Probably got to mess around a little bit more and tighten it a little bit more. But yeah, this thing looks pretty sweet, guys. I do like it. I don't think I plan on taking the tank bag out. I mean, obviously if you have to take it out, it's pretty easy. But I think it is, yeah, sweet. So yeah, it looks like you can still use your phone. Nice. But yeah, it's supposed to be waterproof, which I think, unless I haven't tested out yet. But yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. Just open it up. Then you got the little compartment here for your phone or whatever you want to do. You got a little zipper area. You got a little divider. You got some straps in the bottom. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. Nice little bag. And then just put that down, and bam, you're good to go. And I mean, might as well, let's do a quick removal. Just do the straps and bam, look at that. Nice and easy. And then same thing when you put it on. One strap, two strap, and then three strap, four. Bam, and you're good to go. You are back in business. Back in business, baby. But yeah, this thing, I like it. I'll leave it like that for now. But yeah, let's jump back on the bike. This thing looks like the water that's trickling down a little bit. Yeah, that's we'll probably end up going that way. Oh, look at this CRF in all her glory. Still dirty from the last time I used it. Did not end up washing it. The little fuel bottle's dirty. That's dirty. Plate's dirty. Screw it, guys. Let's send it. All right. And I kind of want to try something real quick that I've seen. All right, so we're gonna lean it. Oh yeah, nope. I was trying to power slide this thing around, but because this bike is so heavy, it is not easy to do. If it was a dirt bike, it would be nice and easy, but this thing, heck no. Oh, that's beautiful. Looks like they did some maintenance on it. Hey guys, nice little tank bag for the CRF, just to put a couple things in it. Obviously, if I don't want to carry my phone on my pocket or on the quad lock, I can always, well, not actually quad lock, that's the cheap version, but I can always throw it in the bag. Or you know, you want to bring a couple snacks, throw some extra batteries for the GoPro or whatever it may be. This thing will serve its purpose. Now let's see. First gear. Actually, I think we might be in second on that one. Nice little trail area. Yeah, I just wanted to come out real quick and get on this thing, take it for a quick spin, and see how this little bag holds up. Doesn't get in the way. This thing is pretty sweet. I actually ended up buying it on Amazon. If you guys know about Amazon really well, just watch something, keep an eye on it, and then eventually it'll lower. Whoops. Eventually it'll the price will lower, and then just scoop it up when it's cheaper. I believe usually this on Amazon goes for like 75 bucks, and I think right before Black Friday they dropped down the price to, I think it was like $54. So I ended up buying it, and yeah, ended up saving a few bucks. Kind of hard to do it with. Yeah, the using the clutch with one finger is a little bit tougher, but I can get the hold of using the clutch with two fingers to try to pop it up. Just seems a little bit sketchier to me. I feel like I don't have as much of a good grip on it that I do with three fingers. Starting to get a little bit chillier now. that's first gear. There we go, a little one. Yeah, it's a little. I gotta adjust my clutch because I think with the one finger, I don't think I can put the. I think when I put the clutch in, it's not going in all the way. And we will head back home. Gotta watch out for these leaves. Poor neck, guys, my poor neck. Alright, let's do. Alright, so first gear. Yeah, see. Whoa! Yeah, but the, I don't know, the 2-finger clutch pop, that thing makes me nervous. Yeah, and see, and then I can't really, yeah, then it doesn't really let you pop it in, it's a little bit hard to pop it the second if I'm trying to use one finger on it, but maybe I'm just getting nervous and I'm just screwing it up. Most likely that's what it is. Doggy, little pupper. Yeah, see right there, I had no issue shifting up. I think it's just me. I think I get nervous and I screw it up. Yeah, see, that second gear going up, thing does not like it. Alright guys, that'll probably be it for the video. Really quick, just random ride on this decent day with a little tank bag, and yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep on riding.